a food vlog in a long time, so I wanted to do one. And right now I am making sloppy joes, but my fiance want me to put one of these Armageddon peppers that he got. Look how red they are. So I'm gonna put one of these in his. Yeah, I haven't labeled one of these in his sloppy joe. So let me show you how it looks so far. So this is the sloppy joe batch that is normal. So it has ground beef, ground sausage, chopped up tomatoes, chopped up peppers, chilies, tomato sauce, salsa, and I think that's about it. So I'm gonna chop up these peppers, and then I'm also going to be making a cheesecake, a plain cheesecake, and some chocolate pudding. So I'll show you guys that as well. I got my milk right here. Red, right, in the pepper.
Did you try one?
No.
It's hot.
It's melting your face up?
No, but it's hot.
How hot?
Oh shit, it's hot.
1 to 10.
It's like a 9 right now.